cotton segment. The summer has been started. Hope all going to enjoy this 2025. Embroidering work saree starts from 150 rupees. So keep watching this video and subscribe the channel over here. And the saree, you can see the body part. There is a work like this. This is the entire body work saree. Hey, hi friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Family. I hope all are safe and doing great. Today also brought for you the special segment varieties from the cotton summer season collection. So cotton is very comfortable for this season. Today I'm going to show you only cotton embroidering sarees. If I talk about Kesaria manufacturers, for the regular updates, if you are into clothing industry or business, if you want to start up with a saree business or showroom, or you can planning for the boutique or retail concept, you can directly tie up with Kesaria manufacturers. Today I'm going to show you the new unique varieties season to season, the updating Kesaria manufacturers. You can take a screenshot and you can contact our online team and you can purchase COD options. We are providing you our services where you can do video calling, purchase, embroidering, many more collections with the multiple segments. So let's have a look. Such a beautiful varieties. The first pattern, the dark mehendi color. Very beautiful work you can see over here. There's a velvet based, the work was been the flower leaf pattern which been fixed on the lace border saree. With the same concept, there is a checks pattern, dark embroidering thread work with the black color, beautiful pallu you can see over. Such exclusive collections. The code I can say here, Pari Toshiba. Pari Toshiba is the code. In this you have a beautiful color options. So in this you have a Chanderi cotton, Malmal cotton. And if I talk about the next cotton, which is Khadi cotton embroidering saree, there is a border. You can see the beautiful collection of the printed, and in this you have a embroidering work. This is a code called Shri Tanishka BP. On the two-tone shade you are watching this. Beautiful color combination. Pink with dark pink, two-tone shade with the two-tone. Khadi cotton. You can see the pattern of this saree, and there is a mini butta with blouse piece you can see here. With blouse, without blouse, we have a 630 meters, 6 meters of printed embroidering work sarees. These all sarees in the market, not less than 2000 rupees, right? But in the factory price, you will buy the highest price about 7 to 800 rupees. Next pattern, heavy thread work with the stone work, which is a stone has been fixed on this. With this, I have a very pretty color with the Rama green color combination. In this, you have a Shri Hitachi Doria as the code. Very pretty and heavy concept of the work saree. And the dark golden stone work has been placed. In this, you have a plain blouse. All these exclusive collections you can purchase at factory price. If I talk about the next pattern, printed border and the body part. Printed border and the body part will be a work Shri Suman BP. Shri Suman BP, light one of the purple shade with the coffee brownish pattern with the heavy purple thread work and lavender shade you can see over here. And in this you have a dark brownish with the color of the mehendi color concept with the geometrical printed pattern. Mini butta print has been given here. Every color chart you will find out the beautiful color sheets according to the designs. The next pattern, if I talk about the classy colors, slight colors I can say, creamish color, such a beautiful mini thread work of the white color with the lace border. See, you can see here. And in this you have a Pari Flower Queen BP. Pari Flower Queen BP is the code, and in this you have a leaf work has been highlighted with the pinkish and brownish. In this also you can purchase. All these collections you can buy at factory price. Next pattern, blue, floral, white color based with dotted work. This is a Khadi cotton. And this Khadi cotton also you have a beautiful colors for the regular housewives home wear, the casual wear for the summer to absorb heat. It gives very comfortable. So this is also one of the pattern. This is Flower Gudiya is the code. So in this you have a different colors. Next pattern, multi-thread. The chocolate or one of the brownish shade. Yellow, red and the green color, the combination of the flower work which is and done the sequence dotted stone work has been placed. Very beautiful. This is pattern called Sri Sundari BP is the code, with the highlighted with the multi-thread work. So these all varieties you can see here. Set to set you can purchase all these collections. So light colors, butta work, stone work, two-tone shade with velvet based highlighted. These collections you can also purchase and add into your business to make your customers happy. Always try to visit manufacturers, right manufacturer, online purchase, visit purchase, cash on delivery, advance booking, and even language, no language communication problems or anything you want the manufacturers or the sales team to understand your requirements. Based on that, you can do WhatsApp video calling purchase, and you can visit Surat. Surat is well known for the diamond city and for the textile market. You can visit Surat as well known as a diamond city, and it's known for the textile market. You can visit with your family and enjoy the visit purchase shopping. If you couldn't travel, you can do online shopping, video calling purchase. Pan India COD options are there, and we provide you safely, securely sea services, cargo services worldwide. So if you want to start your boutique according to your investment, you can plan with the unlimited from small investment to high investment. So hope you enjoyed this cotton embroidering sarees. You can easily contact our online team and let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video and following me. Subscribe the channel for the regular updates. Keep watching. Please share with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Enjoy. Next video we'll meet soon with new more collections with business information. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.